guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are talking about keeping our kids safe in the digital world. With so much out there online, it's natural to want to make sure your children are using their phones and tablets responsibly. There are many parental control apps available, but if you don't want to install anything on your child device, we will be exploring some options that can help you monitor their activity without physically touching their phone. So, if you are a parent looking to monitor your child's online activity or an employer needing to ensure your company phone use is appropriate, so this spyx.com could be a valuable option for you. The link to the website is available in the video description. With this app, you can monitor 40 plus applications, keep tabs on calls, text, social media activity, including popular applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and emails, browsing history, and more. SpyX.com has 14 exclusive features. With SpyX, you can finally gain peace of mind knowing your children is protected from harmful content, cyberbullying, and online predators. So the link to this website is available in the video description. Click on try now, and here you have to create an account, enter your email address and password. So here you can see here are options to connect iOS or Android. So I click on this iOS to connect my phone, and you have to enter your Apple ID and then enter the digit code which you have received on your Apple ID. So here I have added the code, and it is a verification method to ensure your safety. So here you can see the interface like this. So here you can see it is successfully connected. You will see the interface like this, and here is the dashboard. I can see the data of my child's phone. You can see all the features is in the sidebar of the interface. Click on the corresponding features to view all the data of software. SpyX also offers the ability to monitor your kids' calls, text messages, photos, videos, and much more. And you can also view the videos saved on their phones. You can see all the contact list of your child's phone. You can also read all the text messages. You can see the list of installed applications, GPS location, and many things. Here you can see it. Here are all the details of the GPS location he has visited, and here you can see all the photos are with its GPS locations, and all the things are available here. You can see the WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp business messages, and here you can see you can read all the chat, all the messages you can view here. You can see you can also read the WhatsApp business messages, voice calls, Line, Kik, WeChat, Tinder, and many other social media platforms, messages, calls history, photos, videos, that are all the things that is available on your child's phone. You can easily view it. Here you can see the call history. You can check all the call history durations and date, and with the location tracking you can see where your kid is and where they have been. So SpyX location tracking feature is pretty accurate. It also keeps along with all the places is your kid has been recently, so you can find out if they have gone anywhere they should not have. And with the call monitoring function, features allows you to see who your kid has been talking to it, and you can track 15 plus social media apps as well as other things such as attached files, call logs, contents, etc. And web monitoring features allows you to see the website your kid has visited and to check which page your kid has bookmarked. So the SpyX provides an easy and secure way to monitor your child's phone. It offers a wide range of features that make it ideal for monitoring your child's phone, knowing where they are or what they are doing while still keeping their privacy intact. With the intuitive interface and reliable tracking results, this application is a valuable tool for anyone looking to protect their family member from potential harm. So SpyX can be a tool to monitor your child's phone activity, but it's important to use it responsibly and with the communication. Consider the protectional privacy concern and legal implications for using. So the link to the website is available in the video description. So must check it out and comment down below If you have any question, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.